Good afternoon, my name's Tom Brinsonoff. I'm here out of Reading, Pennsylvania to show you how to change car brakes. I've already got the wheel off and got this thing up and unsported to make time a little bit easier. What you want to do is look at your assembly here, your brake caliper. It's normally typically just 2 bolts holding it in. I've already located them and loosened them up for you. You want to take them out. I'll take one arm out. Rotate this upwards and it'll expose your 2 front brake pads. Real simple, just pull them right out. Again, make sure you hold on to this. The last thing you want to do is drop that down on your fingers. Have your one brand new brake pad, slide it in there. Okay, you want to take your inside brake pad, stick it in the holder there. Get it in your back one. Take your old brake pad, either way, doesn't matter, that way or that way. Grab your brake tool. You can find it in any local parts store. They're under $10. You want to slide that in here. Push that in there to get both pistons. You can actually see it going back in. You want to make sure both of them are all the way in. Get them turned in there like that. Slide your caliper back over your new brake pads. Get your bolts back in, tighten everything back up. Just remember, pump your brake pedal up a few times before you go pulling out because your piston won't be exposed on your brake pads right away. That's all you need to do. Tighten it up and you're good to go.